Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Dear students, today we will study the second poem that name is Wind, and it is composed by Subramania Bharati. Dear student, this poem is representing about wind is representing here about the circumstances that we have to face. Generally, in our life, there are so many circumstances that we are unable to face. There are so many problems that we are unable to face. This poem is making us able to face any kind of challenge. Wind is representing here the challenge of life. How when the challenge comes, when we have to face the challenge, sometimes we are just broken and we can't find our goal. So my dear student, this poem is somewhere motivating you that in the worst circumstances we have to full up positive attitude. We have to full up positive energy. We have to get ready to face the challenge, because if we will face the challenge, if we will take the risk, only then we can progress. Risk is very important to us to take. Let us come by the line. Poet says about the winds, wind, come softly, don't break the shutter of the window. As you know, when wind come, what happens? So many things are scattering here and there. And if we are making balance on our feet, only then we can stand up. Otherwise, this air, this wind can also scatter us. So the poet is saying here, wind, come softly. Don't break the shutter of the window. You know, when the wind comes not softly, what happened? The shutter of the window started knocking out. Don't break the shutter of the window. Don't scatter the papers. If there are papers, when the fan is moving, the papers are scattering here and there, because paper is unable to maintain itself. Paper is unable to face wind. So my dear student, further on poet says, don't throw down the book on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. Means poet is telling that, let us say wind, what you did. You have thrown out all the papers. This is done by you. But we are blaming. Here the poet wants to tell us that we are blaming others. We are blaming to the problems. We are blaming to the circumstances. This is not good way. We should have to get ready. We should get ready to take challenge, to face challenge, and to remove challenge from our life. So on the place of blaming them, why you did this, why you did that, we have to ready to face that one challenge. So here poet is blaming to the wind, and the poet is blaming by saying that there, look what you did. You threw them all down. So this is not the mistake of wind. Wind is just, this is the nature of the wind to move, and we should have a nature that to save ourselves, to balance ourselves. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. Poet is saying to the wind that you tore the pages of the books. This is because of you, the pages of the books turn up, tore, and you brought rain again. You know, this is because of the wind, the rain come. Because of the winds, the clouds come, and because of the clouds, the rain come. So rain is happening due to cloud, and cloud is coming due to wind. You are very clever at poking fun at wiggling. Poet is saying that you are very clever. Poking means to making jokes. You are very clever at poking fun up wicklings. Wicklings means the weaker section, the weak people who is unable to face the challenge. The wind is making their fun. The weak is poking on them. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors. Frail means very uncomfortable, thin person. So, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling boards, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, and crumbling hearts. You are making it scattered. You are making it fearful. But the poet is saying to us, if we are ready to face the challenge, this wind can't do anything against us. So poet is saying here, let's join the door firmly. Let's join the doors firmly so that wind cannot shiver out of the window. So we have to join the door firmly so that the wind cannot break the shutter of the window. Practice to form the body. We must have to practice to form our body so that this wind cannot do anything negative to our body. His friendship is good. We practice him every day. We praise him every day. Poet is telling us on the place of fear from the wind, we have to make friendship with them. Friendship with the wind, and we must praise the wind. Its friendship is very good. We must have courage to face the challenge. So this is the poem by Subramaniam Bharati. My dear student, read it once again and try to find out the sense of humor used by Subramaniam Bharati. Dear students, if I am telling in a very short way to this poem, so in this poem, first two part, poet is trying to tell us how wind destroy the things, how wind scatter the paper, shatter the window, and how the winds poking fun of wicklings, how it crumbling body, how it crumbling lives, how it crumbling houses and doors. But in the third part of the poem, poet is telling us the way by which we can make friendship with the wind, and by which this wind can be useful to us. We can utilize it in our progress. So please read it once again and find out the answer of the question. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Be safe.
Do self-study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.